Hey guys, welcome back to my video. Today we're gonna play Tornado Simulator Into the Tornado in Dev. I don't know if this game looks fun, but I just found it when I was looking at the homepage. Well, there's only one active. Let's see if there's private servers, because if there is, that would most likely, I don't know. Anyways, most likely love private servers because so that no one could annoy me sometimes. Because, oh, okay. Well, I got lucky. Okay. Tornado. The Bloxy channel. Oh, okay. Cool. Customize. Friends allowed, just in case. Come on. I don't want to be lonely all the time. Oh well. Looks like I'm gonna join my private server. Okay. I'm trying to load here. It just takes a while. There we go. Oh, it already started. Okay. Cool. So where's the bunker? Okay. We can get to the simulation settings. We can... Oh. I didn't expect that to happen. Anyways. But forget all of that. Just pretend like nothing happened. My game crashed for some reason. I don't know. Maybe high physics. No, like high graphics is kind of game crashing for me. You know what I'm saying? Okay, maybe not. But anyways, we will play maybe horrific housing later. What the heck? Anyways, we will play that game later. Yeah, we will play it later. Late. In the next video. Anyways. When is it gonna load? Okay, there we go. That's a lot better. If it doesn't load, then I'm definitely gonna rage quit. Okay, loading properly. So, wait, listen to this roar of the tornado. Can you hear it? Because that's so cool. And even they made the game a little bit realistic. Okay, so it's now weak. We want to make it like strong. But we'll do that later. But take a look at this tornado. I mean, well, it didn't look like that in the first time. Also, the power lines are also moving. That's realistic. Just physics realistic. I'm just on the car because I don't know why. Anyways, so we're gonna go first person right now. Take a look at this beauty. And let's see what we can do. We can make it average or massive. Oh, oh my God! Look at this. Sensitive. gonna be big enough. Tornado speed? Oh, let's just make it that much. If you see like this tornado, I would say you're finished. Start. Oh my god, it's heading towards us. Oh my god. Oh my. Oh my goodness. Okay, it's lagging really hard. Oh, I'm inside of it right now. Ah! Oh my god. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I see debris everywhere. Dude, this is lagging so hard right now. Bro, it's lagging so hard. I mean, take a look at that tornado, dude. Okay. Let's reset simulation. Damage report. Truck max altitude 1,743 feet. Tornado EF scale EF5. 210 miles per hour. Damage cost $7.776 million of damages. Wow! Bird's eye view. What's a bird's eye view? Truck view. What's a truck view? Cool. How's the power line still here? Oh wait. Oh yeah, now I get it. Let me just reset real quick because I'm basically far away. There should be me any second. There we go. Okay, so I'm just gonna be inside of some house, maybe, I don't know. And let's see how I'll survive. And I cannot view myself. What the heck? Oh, there we go. Alright, let's go inside first because basically the tornado is gonna eat us. Well, the power lines are reacting. Oh, there's my friends! There's my friend's house. And basically, I cannot get in the house. Hey, don't worry, if you're trapped in there, I'll save you. Nah, just kidding. There's actually so basically, I'm just gonna be here for a safe reason. Why not? Come on, I can do it. Season view, train view. There's a train view? Where is it? I don't see it. First, we gotta make the tornado back to where it needs to be. How else can I use it? What? It's so skinny. Okay. Let's just make it average. Because it's an average tornado, you know. It's maybe like that, yeah. Tornadoes are average. It's extremely fast. I'm gonna make it to its better size. Detect the tornado. So it's going over there. So I'm just gonna make it like go over here until it's. Let's just make it go over there to make it stop. Truck view. We're in the truck view. Nothing too suspicious happening. Start the simulation now. Okay, we're now moving. I don't like this. I don't like this. We're moving now. See them. Truck. I want to see the truck. Oh yeah, destroyed. Dude! Oh my god! The truck is finished! Oh my god! Look at that! Oh my... Oh! Wait, how's me doing? Oh no! Oh my god, dude, that truck... This truck is destroyed. Made a bit of a squiggly line. So let's stop there. Let's see how me's doing. I am doing pretty good right now. Let me look at the tornado real quick. Oh my gosh! It looks so realistic, but at the same time it's not. Hey, we survived. But it was like a meter away from us, I think. I don't know. I just saw it. Okay, tornado's gone. No, it's not. For a split second, I heard a roar of the tornado. Let me just go outside to take a little bit of a look. Oh my god. This is the leftover. I mean, at least I survived. But, if I was standing right here, I would be dead right now. Here's what we get. If I was still here and not even from... then the truck would... that would be pretty bad luck. But let's see what the truck is doing. Okay, the truck is doing bad, but the is it called semi? Sedan, no sedan. But the sedan is a little bit good, but also there's people on the ground. So basically, this car survived. I mean, people would get sucked out of the window maybe. And this would be me if I was standing somewhere dangerously. Oh wait, he still has his legs. What the heck? He still has his legs. But somehow he managed to... I think that the truck was doing pretty bad. I mean, it had some stops at the air. It must be like a lag or something. Wow. That was pretty insane, to be honest. There's report. Sedan max altitude, 3 feet. Truck max altitude, 26 feet. Whoa! Scan. FEF3, 150 miles per hour. Okay. This game is unfinished, and that's why some menu options, manufacturing, reserve view, terrain view, manufacturing view. Please have some patience, as they will be added. Okay, I can wait like 100 years for that. But it was a pretty fun game, to be honest. Also, tornadoes are kind of cool. I mean, only for tornado hunting. But I'm just gonna be over here and take a look at the tornado while it's destructing everything. So I'm just gonna direct the tornado. So it's gonna go here the same time. It's gonna collide through here and stop for a moment. Maybe here. Yeah, there would be it. Okay. Yeah, I can do that. We can do that. So I'm just gonna go in the upstairs. Just take a view of it. And let's see what it actually is. Is that the upstairs? Yeah, that's the upstairs. Okay. So this will be our view. It's kind of nice, to be honest. It's kind of nice. Start simulation. Okay. Is it starting? Yep, it's starting. Okay. I hear it. Let's get near. Why is there no window? Oh, I see it! I see it! Oh my god! Holy! Jesus Christ! Oh my god. Oh, oh! I got picked away for a second. Oh my god! Whoa! Oh my gosh! This is insane! Look at that. Oh, someone got inflamed the leg. But look at that! Whoa! Do you think it's stopping right now? Yeah, it stopped. Definitely stopped. Maybe it's not stopping. I don't know. Let's just take a view of it. See what it was. So the tornado was there, and then it went right here, over there. And those are the leftovers. How is this part of that still alive and the truck majorly damaged? That was just so... Okay, it's kind of cool, but what are the pieces of everything? Oh my god. Okay, I kind of want to test the overpowered one. But we will do that in the future. Maybe. In the future videos. But now we can only do that and that. Which I currently don't like anyways. Set. The truck max altitude is 9 feet. And the sedan max altitude is 3 feet. And the same thing, I guess. Well, let's play the next game, which I'll search. I hope my game doesn't crash on there, or else I'll be like really gonna. I don't know what I'm gonna say, but anyways. Tornado. Okay, I'm just searching for random tornado games, but I thought Twister would be cool, so we'll play that in the future videos. Like these other games right here, they're getting low amount of playing. Let's see. What is this? What kind of wallpaper is that? That must be weird anyways. So, there's only 2 active in the game. What's LSD? What's that? Okay. That's just weird. It's also all ages, so. Tornado Physics 4. No one really plays that game. I want some realistic tornado games. Not Foam Frenzy. What's Foam Frenzy doing? What the heck? What the? Tornado Chasing. Okay, this is just made up game. Tornado Survival Map Update. Tornado Damage Test. Read. This game will not perform. Turn down graphics. be fun, I guess. Test it out. We'll test it out, but this will be the final game if it's fun. Waiting for available. Oh my god. Don't tell me it's full. Or is it? Oh! Oh, you're by yourself. Oh, it's right there. Okay, it's right over there. How am I not moving? Oh, there we go. There we go, we're moving. I mean, I kind of like the private server. But anyways. That scared me for a second. Anyways. So this kind of looks like from the United States. You know, one of these classic cities or something. This looks kind of familiar, to be honest. What's wrong with the lightning? It's daytime! Oh, tornado coming. Whoa! Tornado! Whoa, I got a super run. Cool. I mean, I like realistic run. Oh, there it is. Oh my god, look at that! It just picked up a house by itself. What the heck? Okay, it's not that realistic. Tornado is just moving a little bit. Wait, what happens if you go inside the tornado? Ooh. Oh my god, what the? Oh my, whoa, whoa. Okay, it's really laggy. Ah! Help me! The roof is coming off! Oh my god! Oh! It's lagging really hard. Oh, whoa! Okay. Not this game. This is just way too much. Oh god. Okay. It was cool, but I guess this could be the end of the video right now. So definitely hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button. Hit that notification bell. And I'll see you in another video. Peace.